If you want all the details on FabFitFun's Spring 26 customization number 5, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's in the other room. Bandit's hanging out with me. You can't really see him, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So customization 5. Now at this time, according to their form, there is no additional pricing known yet. That will be listed once it gets confirmed. But we've got a handful of things, not as many as in 6, but some nice things. So let's start with the first one, which is by Skin & Co. And it is the Divine Nectar Shower Oil. This is 250 milliliters and it is a $30 value. It says that it has an oil to milk formula and it is infused with sweet almond oil and black winter truffle. I don't know how much I want to smell like black winter truffle, but maybe that's not a scent note in there. So 250 milliliters is 8.4 fluid ounces. So you're going to get a nice size. This is female founded and cruelty free. It got 5 stars, only 22 reviews, but all great ones. People love it. Smells great. Makes their skin feel hydrated and soft. Little bit goes a long way. It does miraculous things for my skin. Obsessed with the smell of the product. It's the sweet almond oil, which does smell very nice. Like Lactane has one, and Lactane is not cruelty free, so I don't buy it, but if I get it, I'm going to try it, you know. And it does smell great, but I'm like, oh, it's not cruelty free, I'm not going to buy it. So this might be a great replacement for that product. It does say it leaves your skin very moisturized, so super interested based upon those reviews. Again, not a ton of them, but enough for me to be interested. That ships everywhere. Next, by Fenty Skin, is their Plush Puddin' Intensive Recovery Lip Mask in Melon. Yes, please, $24. It has a pudding-like texture, it says, and it is supercharged moisture for smoother, finer, plumper looking pout. This is vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and female founded. You're going to get a ½ ounce, which is typical in this type of product. I could not find like the Google reviews, only an AI overview, but it does say that they are generally positive, highlighting its intensely hydrating, thick, non-sticky texture and ability to soothe and repair lips overnight, leaving them soft, smoother, and plumper. It has a subtle pearlescent sheen and good wear under lipstick. Now it looks like there are quite a few videos out there which it references and even shows, but here's what I know. It's Fenty. I love their lip products. I'm getting it. And Melon. Love Melon. That also ships everywhere. Next, by Innisfree, is their Super Volcanic AHA Pore Clearing Clay Mask. It's an $18 value. It's a wash-off cooling mask that helps control excess sebum and visibly minimizes pores while providing skin smoothing exfoliation. You're going to get 3.38 ounces. You're going to put it onto your entire face and leave it there for 10 minutes. Now it is clay, it is going to dry down, giving you that tightness. If you ever experience that and it's unpleasant for you, you can just take a damp cloth and keep it somewhat moist, and that will reduce that kind of skin tightening that you may not like. It still works well, but just a little bit, not like super wet. And I could not find the actual reviews, only an AI overview, which says that it generally receives positive reviews for oily combination skin, effectively absorbing oil, deep cleaning pores, and refining skin texture for a smoother, brighter, less greasy feel. Some key benefits are deep cleansing, pore refining, exfoliation, texture improvement, and cooling sensation. However, dry skin can find it to drying or stripping if overused. This ships everywhere, and I am pretty sure Innisfree is cruelty-free from my experience with their products. Next by Verb is their Hydrate Leave-In Conditioner. It's a $22 value. This is going to detangle, hydrate, and nourish your hair. It has argan oil, babassu oil, and moisture-locking ceramides. It's going to give extra moisture, fight frizz, and leave hair soft and tangle-free. And I will tell you, every time you wash your hair, you want to use this afterwards. So even if you're using conditioner, because conditioner, what that's really doing is giving a little bit of softening and detangling, but it's not locking in because you're rinsing it out, right? So if you really want to lock in smooth, soft looking hair, particularly if you're prone to frizz, which I am, you want to use a leave-in conditioner, and then you want to dry it with a hair dryer. Today's products are meant to protect your hair from hair dryers. So if you really want kind of like soft, smooth, like my hair gets very, very frizzy because it's so fine, it's so thin, but it also has like this kind of wave that just looks messy, right? So it tends to look frizzy, but you want to use this every time you wash your hair. It's going to lock in that conditioner. This is like your next, not your final step. Your final step is a little bit of hair oil, just a tiny bit, but this is going to lock in that moisture. You're going to get 6.5 ounces. It's female founded. It is cruelty free. It ships everywhere. This got 4.6 stars with 1,058 reviews. One person said find something else. They never returned anything, but they returned this. They say if you air dry your hair, it's fine, I guess, but blow drying your hair with this, terrible. Made my hair feel like straw. I have had great experience with the Verb products. I haven't tried this one. I might actually have it. I will check and give it a try and throw a quick review on if I have it. So if you see a quick review, like a short, you'll know I have it. If I can find it. Because a lot of my stuff's like packed up for future use. Other people helped hydration. Another one, it's just not what they were looking for. It's very thin, watery almost, left their hair feeling sticky. Smells great, but didn't work for them. Excellent for rehydrating hair. So mixed reviews, but overall 5-star reviews. There's only a tiny bit of 1 and 2 star, a little bit of 3, a little bit of 4. Majority of these are 5-star. So I'm going to go with it's a pretty good product. Next, by Rosy Soil Garden, or Rosy Soil, are garden pruners with a recycled plastic handle. It's an $18.99 value. There were no reviews on this at all. It is 7 by 1.7 by 1.7. I have garden shears, not really something I'm looking for. Another set. Mine work perfectly fine. Next, by Keen Glass, or by Keen, is a glass straws set of 4 with cleaner. You're going to get a variety of colors. They're very pretty. They are reusable, obviously. Here's my thing though. Glass can crack. I'm not sure about that. I'm not going to get them. I generally pass on glass straws because of that. I do have one set that I got from, I think Grove. No. I think I got them from Globin, and they haven't broken, but I'm very, very cautious with them. So I like to go with aluminum. And they're 8 inches long. You're going to hand wash them with warm water and soap. They'll ship everywhere. Next, by Ilia Beauty, is their Lip Sketch Hydrating Crayon in Genre. So I thought when I read this on there earlier, it said Jean, but it's Genre. It's a $26 value. It's a lovely color. Love the Ilia line. It says it glides on smoothly, delivering rich, lasting color and a soft matte finish. It's a mauve brown shade. This is female founded. It is cruelty free, and there are no shipping restrictions. It got 4.5 stars with 3,098 reviews. One person says it's a matte option if you don't like matte lipsticks. And this person's over 50, does not have full lips, tends to shy away from drying matte lipsticks. Decide to try it. It's not as drying as she feared. Somebody else said it needs a big, oh no, is this thick? Because they said you need a big pencil sharpener. Now that could change things. I'm going to have to go check this out at Ulta. One person does say that the cap does not stay on it, so don't carry it around with you because it's going to smush all over the place. Somebody says it's a perfect everyday lip crayon. So again, I thought this was a liner and it looked thin, but if this is more of a lip crayon, I might be all in for that because I don't really line. But if it's a lip crayon, I don't like the thin line, but I can do a thicker one and then smudge it in with a lip color, mostly a gloss. So yeah. I'm going to pop over to Ulta before I edit this video and let you guys know what I think. All right, and the last is a Luxe Choice, which means you're going to pay an additional $29, and that is for the Voluspa Vanilla Visions Eau de Perfume, 55 milliliters. It says it's a radiant blend of sugared vanilla, amber, and rum-soaked sandalwood. So you can already know, no thank you. I just don't like sandalwood. It says the top notes are almond, heliotrope, and Peru balsam. Middle notes are ambrette, sugared vanilla, and amber. And base notes are moss and rum-soaked sandalwood. So I don't know that that's really for me. It does have 4.7 stars. With 114 reviews. And it does say depth from notes like sandalwood, amber, and rum on the reviews. Described as more cakey or marshmallowy, like toasted s'mores. Now that I would like. Let's see if I can get my hands on this too. So I did look online and they are not sold at Ulta. They do sell at Sephora, but my only Sephora is a little Kohl's one, so I don't think they have it because all I'm seeing at Sephora are the candles. So I don't know. I might have to get my hands on this one. All right, what do you think you're getting? I'm thinking I'm going to try the perfume. The Fenty Skin, definitely. Maybe the shower oil, not sure. But let me know down below, what are you getting? All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.